How to disassemble rear tires. Place the bike upside down. Unscrew the screws on both sides of the rear wheel end cover with a hex wrench. Push and pull back the end covers on both sides. Carefully pull out the power connector. Use an 18 wrench to unscrew the screws on both sides. Pay attention to the opposite direction of the screws on both sides. Remove the accessories and remove the belt. Turn the foot pedal gently with one hand. Press the belt with the other hand, and the operation should be slow, so as to prevent pinching your hand. First, observe the washer position on both sides of the marked bolt, then firmly pull out the tire. Release the air in the tire, insert the tire with a tire lever, and pry the outer tire along the rim. Important tips: push out the valve carefully and then separate the tire from the rim. How to assemble rear tire. After changing the inner tube, first align the valve with the opening of the rim, pass through the rim, and then fix the outer tube in place with a tire prying rod and install the tire to the frame. Important tips: pay attention to the position of washers. Please follow the video operation to install the belt. First, fix the rear gear and then install the back. First, install the upper part of the front gear belt and then position the lower belt while turning the pedal until it is installed. Screw the nuts on both sides and pay attention to adjusting the balance of the wheel while tightening. It is recommended to inflate the wheel first and then install it, so that you can easily see the distance between the two sides of the wheel. Please pay attention to the installation direction of accessories. Finally, plug in the power interface, sort out the harness, cover and tighten the end caps on both sides.